So on the last day of the referral program, I decided to order a Model X because I've been wanting one, and I needed one more referral to get the 10% discount on the Roadster. And I wanted to screen record the video and show you how easy it is to order a Tesla online. This is all in real time, and all I've done is just picked here the basic 100D. No options from the inside except for autopilot and the 7-seater. And this is in Canadian dollars, of course. And you'll see here me just going through all the different options. I've already pre-selected them in my account, so it should automatically have the 7 seats and the options that I wanted. And then we go next, and you just type in all your pertinent personal information and billing information. And you'll see that I just blacked out everything for privacy reasons. And if you'd like to see a video of the entire process from ordering till receiving the car, just let me know down in the comments below. And then you place the order. So all in all, it took me about a minute and a half with my pre-selected options. For you, it could take a little bit more, but that's really how easy it is to order a Tesla online. Just a couple of minutes if you know what you want.